And some other things that we can do with those old die grinders and sand rolls is we can, I don't know, I call it fluffing stuff. So like this rear cap here, it was a 2-bolt main, that actually 2-bolt main rear cap that came on that motorhome, and I converted it into a 4-bolt main, then put the other billet caps on it. But also, I spent a lot of time, you know, this is something we can do, is we can spend time on stuff and just detail. So that back cap, yeah, I did modify it for the 4-bolt main, but I also put a lot of time into just detailing everything, radiusing everything. So, I mean, we really can come up with a nice piece as we spend time on things and make them better. And like the oil filter, radius those holes down in there, made that nice. And we gotta understand that these blocks were made, you know, to push a motor home and to make money. You know, they had to spit these motors out as efficiently as they could to make a profit, to where I'm not really making a profit, I'm just making it mine. So by spending time, radius and stuff, so that's usually like a pretty flat ledge. You can radius that, help some with the windage with the bottom of the cylinder bores. And so we can go down through here and just grind away and, I don't know, kind of make it yours, just make it a very nice piece. And so just spending some time with really not a lot of cost in the die grinders and the sand rolls. Don't know if you have a compressor or not. That's a little bit of money there, but you can use electric stuff as well. Also on this front timing cover, I kind of lowered those oil return holes in the valley, kind of polished up everything, made it nice. So we really can turn something that was just meant to be an old truck motorhome pusher engine and spend some time on it and turn it into a pretty nice piece. So thanks for watching, y'all. Hope to see you on the next video.